Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tools and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to annotate a PDF in Adobe Reader 2025. If you're a student marking up lecture notes, a professional reviewing contracts, or just someone who wants to jazz up their documents, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Reader installed on your device. It's free and updated for 2025 with some awesome new features for seamless annotations. Open the app and load your PDF file by going to File, Open and selecting your document from your files. Once your PDF is open, head to the toolbar at the top. Look for the Comment or Annotate tab. It's usually right there, front and center in the 2025 version. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu packed with tools like highlighting, underlining, and adding sticky notes. For example, to highlight text, simply select the Highlight tool, drag over the section you want, and choose a color from the palette. Next, let's add some comments. Click the sticky note icon, place it on the PDF where you need it, and type in your thoughts. Adobe Reader now supports handwriting annotations too. Just use your stylus or mouse to draw directly on the page. It's super intuitive and feels just like writing on paper. Don't forget to customize. You can change the color, opacity, or even add shapes and arrows for clarity. Once you're done, hit File, Save as to export your annotated PDF. Pro tip: use the new collaboration features in 2025 to share your document for real-time feedback from colleagues. And there you have it. Annotating PDFs in Adobe Reader is a breeze. This feature is a game changer for productivity, saving you time and keeping everything organized. If you run into any issues, check the help section or update your app. Thanks for watching. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below with your favorite annotation tips. See you in the next video.